Welcome to this comprehensive guide on how to use Bank of America Digital Card. This tutorial will walk you through the process of setting up and using your digital card, providing you with a convenient and secure way to make transactions. First, you need to have a Bank of America account and a compatible mobile device. Download the Bank of America mobile banking app from the App Store and log into your account. If you are a new user, you will need to enroll in online banking and create a username and password. Once you are logged in, navigate to the Accounts tab and select the credit or debit card you want to use. Click on the card details and look for the digital card option. If you do not see this option, you may need to contact Bank of America customer service to have your card enabled for digital use. To add your digital card to a digital wallet, such as Apple Pay, Google Pay, or Samsung Pay, select the Add to Digital Wallet option. Follow the prompts to complete the setup process. You will need to verify your card information and agree to the terms and conditions. After setting up your digital card, you can use it to make purchases online or in store. For online transactions, select the digital card as your payment method and enter the card details. For in-store transactions, open your digital wallet and select the digital card. Hold your device near the contactless payment terminal and authenticate the transaction with your fingerprint, face, or password. It is essential to keep your digital card information secure. Make sure to use a strong password and enable two-factor authentication. You should also regularly review your account activity to detect any suspicious transactions. In addition to making purchases, you can also use your digital card to track your spending and receive notifications. Set up account alerts to notify you of large transactions or low account balances. You can also use the Bank of America mobile app to view your transaction history and check your account balance. To manage your digital card, go to the Card Details section in the mobile app. From here, you can lock or unlock your card, report a lost or stolen card, or request a replacement card. You can also use this section to update your card information, such as your address or phone number. In conclusion, using a Bank of America digital card is a convenient and secure way to make transactions. By following these steps and best practices, you can take advantage of the benefits of digital banking while minimizing the risks. Remember to always keep your account information secure and monitor your account activity regularly. With your digital card, you can enjoy the freedom to make purchases anywhere, anytime, while having greater control over your finances.